Good day, everyone. I'm Richard G. Alvarez, and today I will be conducting an interview for our activity in technical communication and technical writing. The purpose of this interview is to understand the role and importance of technical writing in different professions. I invited the professional to share their experiences, strengths, and insights about technical writing. Let me introduce my respondent. This is Christine G. Alvarez, who is currently working as a employee engagement and relations assistant in HR department. She has a year of experience in the field. I chose her because of her valuable experience in writing technical papers, which I believe will provide meaningful insights for this activity. So, for question number one, what is your experience in writing technical papers?
So, being in HR department, specifically under the employee engagement and relations facet, I usually prepare memos, notices to explain, and other HR related documents related to administrative cases. And also, I write up reports and updates for any employee engagement activities that we will be having for the next few months. So, I'm used to keeping things clear and organized.
So, for question number two, what are your strengths in writing technical papers?
So I think one of my strengths when writing technical papers is I am good at making it straightforward or using simple words for the employees to understand the content of either the memos or the administrative notices.
So, for question number three, what are your weaknesses in writing technical papers?
Since my two roles in HR are somehow contradicting, such as I am an employee engagement, but also I am in the employee relations tasks. So sometimes I can be too formal, especially when I'm creating papers for an employee engagement activities, wherein it requires liveliness for the employees to be to simplify HR terms so everyone can understand them clearly.
So, for question number four, what is the value of technical writing in your profession?
So in my profession, I think it helps me make sure that important HR documents are accurate, professional, and clear. Since making administrative papers needs to be understandable by the employees, but also it needs to be formal. And also it helps build trust because the employees know that the information they are receiving are reliable.
So, thank you, Christine, for sharing your insights from this interview. I learned that technical writing is essential for clear communication, accurate documentation, and professional success. While it can be challenging, it is a valuable skill that supports workplace efficiency and continuous growth. I would like to sincerely thank Christine for giving their time and sharing their knowledge with me. I also want to thank our teacher and classmates for watching this interview. This concludes my activity 1 on technical writing. Thank you and have a great day.